From crushing steel to shaping food, these machines operate at an insane level. Get ready for pure industrial power. A hydraulic plate rolling machine turns massive sheets of steel into perfectly shaped cylinders with incredible force and precision. Powerful rollers gradually bend the thick metal, creating seamless curves for storage tanks. The Minipan-O-Matic 600 turns dough into perfectly shaped pastries with remarkable speed and consistency. With automated forming and precise PLC control, it can handle trays up to 600 mm wide. This industrial vacuum meat stuffer fills casings with incredible speed and precision. The vacuum system removes trapped air while pushing the meat mixture into perfectly uniform portions. What once took hours of jackhammering and exhausting manual labor can now be done in minutes with the Mr. Manhole B52 cutter. Its powerful carbide cutting teeth create a clean, precise circular opening through asphalt with remarkable speed. Instead of breaking the surface apart, watching the massive ZDS hydraulic press shape glowing steel at around 1,200 degrees Celsius is an incredible display of industrial power. The enormous press applies tremendous force to the red-hot metal, gradually with a cycle time of just 4.5 seconds and 42 tons of splitting force. This commercial log splitter turns massive timber into firewood with incredible speed. Each powerful hydraulic stroke drives the splitting wedge straight through the log. Watch this powerful road-sweeping brush attachment transform a dusty, filthy track into a clean surface in seconds. As the rotating brushes spin at high speed, they gather dirt, gravel, and debris and push it. Liquid slag emerges from a steelmaking furnace at temperatures reaching around 1,600 degrees Celsius, glowing like a river of molten fire. As it pours from the furnace, the intense heat and brilliant orange glow reveal the extreme conditions inside a modern steel plant. Underground roadheaders attack solid rock with around 400 kilowatts of cutting power, carving through mountains without the need for explosive. Their massive rotating cutting heads grind away the rock, while the machine advances. A massive offshore mooring chain begins as heated steel bars, which are bent into individual links and flash-welded shut one by one. Each link is then carefully tested under extreme loads before entering service. Built to withstand millions of newtons of force, these enormous chains anchor offshore platforms. Watch a powerful Ponzi harvester take down an entire tree in a matter of seconds. Its harvesting head grips the trunk, cuts it at the base, strips away the branches, and measures the timber. This powerful tire recycling system can process up to 30 tons of scrap rubber every hour. Whole tires are fed into heavy-duty shredders, where they are broken down into smaller pieces and then granulated into reusable rubber crumb. Powerful magnets separate the steel wire, leaving behind clean, recycled material ready. Thousands of colorful yarn spools spin simultaneously across giant industrial looms, transforming recycled plastic fibers into high-quality floor carpet. Each thread is fed and woven with incredible precision as the machine works at relentless. Before a gas turbine rotor ever enters service, it undergoes a critical test inside a high-speed balancing machine. The massive rotor is spun at operating speeds while advanced sensors detect. Even the most patient topiary artist might trade their scissors for this automated trimming machine. It moves smoothly around each bush on a guided track, cutting the foliage with consistent precision and shaping every plant into. Modern paper machines operate at incredible speeds of up to 2,200 meters per minute, transforming raw wood pulp into massive rolls of finished paper. The pulp is spread, pressed, dried, and wound continuously through a. Every pass is incredibly satisfying as powerful diamond blades slice through massive granite blocks with remarkable precision. Cutting at speeds of up to 50 centimeters per hour, under around 150 tons of hydraulic pressure, a heated vinyl puck is pressed into a finished record in less than a minute. The machine forces the soft material between precision molds, imprinting every tiny groove that will later carry the music. Watch this giant forming press transform red-hot metal into a precisely shaped industrial component in just seconds. Each powerful stroke applies controlled pressure, forcing the heated material into an exact mold. From raw potatoes to a perfectly sealed bag, this industrial chip production line handles the entire process with incredible speed. Potatoes are washed, peeled, sliced into uniform pieces, fried, seasoned, and packaged automatically. Cutting around, this massive multi-axle modular transporter moves enormous industrial loads with remarkable precision. Designed to carry equipment weighing around 100 tons, its independently controlled axle CNC gear hobbing machines can cut precision teeth into massive slewing rings in a single controlled operation. These enormous bearings are essential for heavy equipment such as cranes and a massive cutting disc attacks a solid steel cylinder with incredible precision, gradually revealing the complex shape of an engine crankshaft. Here, raw copper is melted and cast before being drawn through a series of progressively smaller dies. Each pass reduces the diameter while improving the tube's precision and surface finish. Finally, the finished copper tubing is coiled automatically. This synchronized Chantier assembly line brings massive construction bulldozers together with remarkable precision. Advanced robotic stations carefully position and attach heavy track rollers, ensuring every component is aligned perfectly before the machine moves to the next stage. From the massive undercarriage to the powerful track system, each part is installed with incredible accuracy. Step by step, raw components are transformed into a fully assembled bulldozer. Up to 900 pieces of fruit can be labeled every minute with this high-speed automatic labeling machine. Each piece passes through the system at incredible speed while sensors position every sticker. These fully automated roll-on deodorant production lines can handle up to 200 units per minute, taking empty bottles through filling, assembly, capping, and final preparation. These powerful pneumatic nail guns fire with incredible speed, driving fasteners into timber almost instantly. Powered by compressed air, they can secure frame after frame with consistent force. Watch these industrial band sawmills slice massive logs into precise lumber with incredible speed. Their continuous steel blades can travel at up to 520 feet. The Tech TPZ 3000 planetary mixer uses 3 counter-rotating mixing stars that move along a planetary path, creating an incredibly thorough blend. As the mixing tools circulate through the drum, this high-speed corrugated box making machine can produce up to 350 boxes every minute, turning flat sheets of cardboard into finished packaging at incredible speed. With a dual-slot configuration